Most people get this wrong when comparing Cleo and Dave. They think both apps do exactly the same thing, and that choosing between them is simply about picking the one with the biggest cash advance. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Cleo and Dave are built with different priorities, and the better app depends on what financial problem you're actually trying to solve. In this video, you'll learn how Cleo and Dave compare in 2026, including budgeting features, cash advances, user experience, and which app may be the better fit for your situation. Let's get straight into it. At a high level, Cleo is focused heavily on budgeting, spending awareness, and helping users understand their financial habits through a more conversational and interactive experience. Dave, on the other hand, is best known for helping users manage short-term cash flow gaps, while also offering budgeting and financial management tools. For example, imagine Alex wants help controlling impulse spending and understanding where his money goes every month. Cleo may appeal more to him because of its budgeting-focused approach and interactive style. Now imagine John. John's biggest challenge is making it to payday when unexpected expenses pop up. Dave's tools may be more useful in that situation, because they're designed around short-term cash flow management. But here's the problem. Most reviews stop there. This is where most people fail. They compare features without thinking about how they'll actually use the app in real life. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The user experience is one of the biggest differences. Cleo tries to make personal finance feel more engaging and approachable. Many users enjoy the conversational style because it feels less like traditional budgeting software. Dave takes a more straightforward approach. The focus is often on practical financial tools and helping users navigate temporary money shortages. Neither approach is automatically better. It depends on your personality and financial goals. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. First, let's talk about long-term value. A budgeting app only works if you continue using it. For example, Jake downloads a finance app, uses it for 1 week, and then forgets about it completely. Even the best financial tools won't help if they sit unused on your phone. That's why choosing an app that matches your habits is so important. Now here's the simplest decision framework. Choose Cleo if your main goal is improving budgeting habits, tracking spending, and staying engaged with your finances. Choose Dave if your biggest concern is managing short-term cash flow challenges and accessing tools designed around that need. The bottom line is simple. Neither app is perfect for everyone. Cleo is often stronger for budgeting-focused users, while Dave may be a better fit for people looking for help managing temporary financial gaps. The best app is the one you'll actually use consistently. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more financial app reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments whether you're leaning toward Cleo or Dave, and why.